What if we could virtually walk around the world?
What if we can help unmanned vehicles travel in urban environment?
What if we were able to design a camera which could do this?
We're doing it right here at Circle Optics.
Originally, Circle Optics came about as a concept when I was a senior in college. Why, if Google has cameras on top of cars mapping the planet, why can't we strap on a headset and roam around the pyramids of Egypt or the Roman Colosseum? The reason why they can't do that today is because of this issue of stitching.
Stitching is a cost-intensive, compute-intensive process to merge all the images into a final panoramic image.
If you're not stitching, you can use that computational power in real time to do other things that you couldn't have done easily otherwise.
Hydra 1 showed that the fundamental concept of no stitching lenses works. Hydra 2 is going to be a unit that can actually produce content. So it's going to be 60 frames a second, 12-bit color, 72 decibels dynamic range, really a superb product for the virtual reality community. We're making 360-degree video really as simple as 2D point and shoot.
This team, they are made up of inventors. We have over 200 patents on the bench strength of the team. The people are so curious to do things that haven't been done before.
The fact that Circle has that built into their culture is really a competitive advantage when it comes to solving future problems.
We're at the bleeding edge of technology, so all ideas are on the table.
We get to break new space. We get to define it, and we get to solve against our own definitions.
When the Circle Optics team came and presented, I think maybe half the class wanted to work on the project. That's part of the excitement of what the technology really is.
We've put in years of work on this technology, and now we're looking to you to help us bring it to market. Circle Optics is currently looking to raise $500,000 on the We Funder platform to grow into the uncrewed systems market.
We'll be able to scale up our technical team. We'll be able to purchase parts for Hydra 2 for bringing that system to market. With this $500,000, we're actually able to unlock an additional $500,000 from a National Science Foundation contract.
Help us bring this technology to its full potential.
Through your help, you have the ability to create an immersive experience that will span past, present, and future. Who wouldn't want to be a part of that?